Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to install and set up your drip action automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Search for the account in which you want your app to be installed. Select your account and click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Then your custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy your custom menu link, head over back to your account, click on Settings, scroll down and click on Custom Menu Links. Click on Create New. You're going to select your icon, the name to your custom menu link, you're going to paste your custom menu link, scroll down, and you can select the account where you want all your tools to be available. To give access to who you want, you're going to choose who you want to give access to. So we are choosing all. When you're done, you click on Save. Next step is to switch to our account and connect our app to our drip platform. So we are going to search for our custom menu link. We click on it. Then this interface is going to pop up. You're going to search for your app, drip. Click on it. Click on Setup Required. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you're going to have access to your documentations, and under the tutorials you're going to have access to your smart queue videos that is going to help as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up your app. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Click on your profile icon. Click on User Settings. Under the User Settings page, you're going to scroll down and copy your API token. Copy, head over back to your account, click on Start Setup, paste your API key, go back to your account online, click on Back to Dashboard, click on Settings, click on Account, scroll down and copy your account ID. Head over back to your account and paste your account ID. When you're done, click on Complete Setup. And there we go. Our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates of our app. And in order to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.